Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are a big coffee drinker, then I want to recommend checking out this Mr. Coffee French press. So in our house, we love having a lot of different ways to make coffee. So we can do whatever we feel like that morning. And this French press has been great. First of all, it's super easy to use. So all you have to do is put your coffee in, add hot water, let it sit for a short period of time, and then you push down the filter and voila, you have a pot of coffee. So it's super easy, the coffee tastes delicious, and this French press itself has a really nice high quality feel. You've got the glass inside, the metal outside. It has a bit of a heavy weight to it, and it just feels durable. It's also easy to clean. All of the parts come out so you can clean each individual part. So overall, we've just been really happy with this French press, and I hope that you will be as well. And that's my point of view.